Hi everyone, it's Brenda. Today I'm going to do an easy dump pour. It's really easy. I know you can do it. I'm using the colors Scarlet Red with some quinidone. Looking at how to say it. Quinacridone Red by Golden. Some Lemon Yellow by Magic Fly. And Orange, which is also by Magic Fly. And I'm going to just have a little bit, just a tiny layer of the copper. It's really watery. I just want a small, thin layer to go across, just to see what happens. And then Artist Loft Black, which is really hard to thin down. Really need to have it thin. Okay, so I will go ahead and start. And I'm going to start with the copper after I put my gloves on. Let me put my gloves on. I still end up with paint on my forearms usually. Okay. Alright, here we go. A couple more swirls. See how thin that is? I just want to see how it's going to show up in the dump pour. Okay. Dumping some yellow. Dumping some orange. Dumping some red. Next. Ooh! Sorry, I'm off screen here. Look at the beautiful red. Just getting a little lip of paint off of there. Now I'm going to go over it with the butane. Right now, the right-hand side looks gorgeous. I don't know what's going to pop out through the black. Have to wait and see until it dries, but more should pop through there. I got most of the black off, but there was a lot of black. When I dumped it, it was a lot of paint. So, end result, right side looks gorgeous, and wait and see on the left side for drying. Please like and subscribe. Every click helps. I'm a new channel, just working into the niche. So if you like it, please press like and please subscribe, as I said. I'm going to save my gloves for the next one. Thank you for watching.